This is a 1967 Mustang Fastback that has severe rust damage. As you can see, the front clip has been cut off. This is where the motor used to go. The firewall has been cut out, the upper and lower cowl. The floor, it's properly braced, as you can see. There's the rear floor section, the rear trunk section. You can see all the rust damage. There's the new floor that we're going to install. It goes from the firewall all the way back to the taillight panel. It's all brand new metal, all one piece now. Next video we do, we're going to clean everything up, lift the body up, move the frame table over with the new floor pan, and install it. Stay tuned.